Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Preparing delicious pinto beans doesn't have to be complicated, especially when you use your trusty crock pot. This method is incredibly simple, allowing the beans to slow cook to perfection with minimal fuss. You'll end up with beautifully tender, flavorful beans that are perfect for any meal. It's truly a set-it-and-forget-it way to enjoy this comforting staple. For this recipe, you'll need just a few basic ingredients. Start with 1 pound of dried pinto beans, plenty of water or chicken broth, and maybe a little salt and pepper. Feel free to add some chopped onion or a few cloves of garlic for extra flavor. Before you do anything else, make sure to sort through your beans and rinse them well. This helps remove any small debris or imperfections. Once your beans are prepped, simply add them to your crock pot along with about 6 to 8 cups of water or broth. If you're adding onions or garlic, toss them in now too. Cover your slow cooker and set it to low for about 6 to 8 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. You'll know they're ready when they're wonderfully soft and creamy, just perfect. When it comes to seasoning, it's best to add salt during the last hour of cooking. This helps ensure your beans soften completely without any issues. For extra richness, consider tossing in a smoked ham hock or some cooked bacon at the beginning. A pinch of cumin or a touch of chili powder can also really elevate the flavor, making them absolutely delicious. Now that your perfectly cooked pinto beans are ready, it's time to enjoy them. They make a fantastic, comforting side dish, or you can even enjoy them as a main course with some warm cornbread. Try them over rice, or use them as a delicious filling for burritos and tacos. Any leftovers will keep well in the refrigerator for several days, or you can freeze them for quick meals down the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.